Good day, parents. I know that I've been telling you that I will send you videos with regards to the IXL and how we have to work with it. So this is just one of a few that I will be sending. But for this weekend, I would really like the learners to at least spend 30 minutes a day with the IXL activities. The reason being that for every week, learners should at least accomplish 7% of their skills development or the skills development as per their plans. Now, what I've done is I've recommended certain activities or suggested certain activities to learners, and I'd like for them to focus on that because that was the activities that were highlighted as per our class and the needs as per our class. So if we go to the, if you open up your IXL or the learner's IXL, you will see that we have our learning. So you'll go to the learning page, and on the learning page, you can go to recommendations. And once recommendations come up, it will show you this, and it will show you recommendations at the bottom. Don't go to the bottom, go up to the top. There it says there are 47 skills suggested by your teacher. So if you tap down, you will see that there is focus on. Now the first one is math, the next one is English, and then the following one is science. Now we going to be working with these three subjects. So if you start off with, if you tap on the math icon, you will see that it will bring up all the important things that I've selected for learners to do. So there you have the identify house, equal parts, and so forth. And if you go on to your reading, then you'll see that I've also there made certain recommendations for learners to follow through with. And the same with science. Now this science is basically what we've been dealing with and what we're dealing with right now. So you'll see things like identity of inherited and acquired traits. You'll see that we have done that already with animals and with plants, and we're basically busy now with the animal cycle, and I've also included some work there on the animal cycle. But also there's work for the future, like for instance adaptations, animal adaptations. Those are things that we will be dealing with in the future with science. So if learners can please go into these skills and then start working on them one by one. But they must come to the point where they actually master the skill. Because once that happens, it will push up their percentage and they will then be able to have achieved a better skills development percentage. And it will also help them to work towards their skills goals. People, I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message either via Classera or via Teams, and I'll be able to respond to your messages. I hope that you have yourself a wonderful weekend, and look forward to seeing your learners again back on Sunday all nice and refreshed. Thank you. Bye.